Is your 2011-2019 Ford Fiesta key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common cause. This video guides you through a quick and easy DIY battery replacement, saving you time and money. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your key fob working like new again. The key fob for 2011-2019 Ford Fiesta models requires a specific battery, the CR2032 3-volt lithium coin battery. This is the CR2032 battery, a 3-volt lithium coin cell. It has a 20 millimeters diameter and 3.2 millimeters thickness, providing the exact voltage needed for the key fob's electronics. Here are the technical specifications, showing the precise dimensions and markings. Other batteries like the CR2025 may look similar but are incompatible. The CR2025 is thinner at 2.5 millimeters and can lead to malfunctions or damage to the key fob due to voltage mismatches. You can find CR2032 batteries at most drugstores, supermarkets, or online retailers. They typically cost around $3 to $5 each. You'll only need a few simple tools for this replacement: a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, like a penny or nickel, to pry open the key fob, a soft cloth or surface to protect the fob from scratches during the process. Consider an anti-static wrist strap to prevent damage to the circuit board, although this is optional for most users. Locate the small notch or slot on the edge of your key fob, usually near where the key blade is attached. Insert the flathead screwdriver or coin into this notch and gently twist. This will separate the two halves of the plastic casing. Be careful not to apply too much force, as you could crack the plastic. Work slowly and methodically. Once the fob is open, you'll see the old CR2032 battery clearly visible in its compartment. Note the battery's polarity. The positive side should be facing up, as shown in this diagram. Use your fingernail or screwdriver tip to gently pry the old battery out of its compartment. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing up, matching the original orientation. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob casing back together. Ensure they are firmly closed and that there are no gaps. Make sure the casing is fully secured with no visible gaps to protect the internal components. Now, test the key fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons. If the car responds by locking or unlocking, you've successfully replaced the battery. If the car doesn't respond, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the casing is fully closed. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, here are some troubleshooting steps. First, verify the battery. Make sure it's a brand new CR2032 lithium coin battery, properly seated with correct polarity, positive side facing up. Be careful not to touch the circuit board to avoid electrostatic discharge that could damage it. Second, try reprogramming the key fob. For some Ford Fiesta models, battery replacement requires this step. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to the on position without starting the engine, then press the lock button on the fob. This should reset the connection. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consult your Ford owner's manual for model-specific instructions or take it to a local dealership for professional assistance. Remember to dispose of the old CR2032 battery responsibly. Many stores that sell batteries also offer recycling programs. Lithium batteries should not be thrown in the regular trash. By following these simple steps, you've saved money and ensured your 2011-2019 Ford Fiesta key fob is working reliably. Regular battery replacement every 1 to 2 years helps avoid unexpected lockouts. Consider marking the replacement date on the battery for future reference.